So how exactly do you create a business PayPal account that is verified that you can use to receive money as well as send money? That is what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. Now, if you're in certain countries like Nigeria and some other parts of Africa, then you will know that these regions are restricted from using PayPal to receive funds, right? Some parts of Africa, anyway. But of course, there are other ways that you could, open a PayPal account that can receive money, send money without you making use of a VPN. All right, and that is what I want to show you how to do. I'm going to walk you step by step showing you the things you need to do, the where you need to click and all of that. So that is what we're going to do in this video. Now, if this is the first time I'm coming to my YouTube channel, my name is Jonathan Melody, and I talk about e-commerce, make money online, affiliate marketing, right? Facebook advertising, basically marketing and sales. All right. So if those are the types of videos that you enjoy to watch, all right, just go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I put out videos just like this one, you get to notified first. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is dive right into my system to show you exactly how this is done. But before that, I want to let you know that every week I choose someone randomly from the comment section of my videos. Okay, so I choose a video in a week, the most engaged video, and I pick a random comment. Okay, I pick a comment randomly, and I have a 30 minutes consultation with the person for free, absolutely for free. So if you want to be part of this, you want to know exactly you can be part of this 30 minutes consultation, ensure that you stay till the end of this video to be part of that. So let's dive right into it. All right, so I'm going to walk you guys through the entire process of creating a PayPal account and verifying it. So you have to be patient through the entire video, right? So we are going to be opening a PayPal account in Lesotho. Okay, so Lesotho is a small country, somewhere in Southern Africa. Okay, so it's still in Africa. I told you guys that there are some countries in Africa that are accepted. Okay, so we're going to be making use of that. So we're going to go to paypal.com/ls. ls means Lesotho. Okay, so we're going to go there, and what we're trying to do here is create a business account. Okay, so we're just basically going to click on sign up for free. Okay, and we want to choose a business account. Okay, and click continue. What we're trying to do here is so that people see that we have a business in Lesotho, or we live in Nigeria, or whichever other country that you are in. Okay, so right here I'm just going to type in the email I'm going to use. Okay, and I'm going to enter a password. I have my password already. Click continue. So right here, all you just need to do is enter your name. Okay, so basically your first name, your second name, all right, your business name if you have one. If you don't have a business name, it's fine. You just put something on it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna type in Jonathan. So I'm going to use, okay, and here where you see phone number, just go ahead and type in your phone number here and just leave the other parts of the code. Just allow it to go with the code. Okay, so just type in your Nigeria or whichever country you are. Okay, just type in the phone number there. So in case that's not working, just change this. Let's use Nigeria. Okay, Great. So it's went through. Now on this part, all you need to do is you basically just have to describe your business. Okay. So if you click on here, you can see where it says individual and sole proprietorship, non-profits, and all of that. Just go ahead and choose sole proprietorship. Okay. Sole proprietorship. Products, product or services, keywords. Okay, you can say e-commerce. Okay. Let's see. Let's see, digital. Okay. So we can say advertising services. We don't need the website. Country or region of incorporation. For us, we're going to use Nigeria. Okay. And we're going to say continue. Now you have to be truthful with all of these, all right? Because these are details that they will require later. Okay, so I'm going to fill all of these. Okay, I'm go ahead and fill all of these. And I would say you should do the same, all right? So fill all of these. Nationality, Nigeria, of course. Okay. Identity document. I'm going to use a passport. Okay. I'll advise you do this. Okay. So now it says welcome your PayPal business. Welcome to your PayPal business account. Okay. Now what we need to do here is we need to link our card. So what you do is you head over to your email and you're going to see about 3 emails thereabouts. So you see where it says we need additional information about your business. We need set up your PayPal account. So here it says set up your PayPal business account. I'm just going to copy the link address and go back to the browser that I am using and paste it right there. Confirm your email. So here it says we should confirm our email. We just copy. I'm just going to copy. For you, you can just click on confirm, but I just want to copy because I'm using a different browser for this. So I'm just going to awesome. So you can see it says confirm, but we'll need to type in the password we created so that we can confirm the email address. So I'm just going to go and copy the password. So I've copied the password and I'm pasted. I'm going to click on confirm, say verifying your information. Let's just wait a little to see. Great, so it's been verified. Let's log in to see what we see there. Awesome. So you can see that everything is done here. Okay. Link and confirm debit card. Okay, so we need to link and confirm a debit card. All right. You want to make sure that you confirm your email. Well, I don't know, it seems like the email will try to confirm, then go through. So let's see what we have there, because it says unconfirmed. It says unconfirmed. Okay, so let's just go back first. Okay, so here let's just link a card. Okay, so for you, you can make use of any MasterCard, Master or Visa card. Okay, you can use maybe your First Bank, UBA MasterCard, Fidelity,
First Bank, right? GTB. Okay, but I'm going to use, I'm going to make use of a GTB card. I'm going to use my dollar card. Okay, that's what I'm going to link this with. Okay, so let me get my details. I'm going to blur all of these parts. So as you watch this video, you're going to see that some parts are blurred up, and that's because I don't want you to see some of these details. Okay, so I'm going to let me just pause this video and fill it out. So you can see I've linked the card and it say your link, you linked your MasterCard. So I'm just going to click on done, and we should have that done. Okay, so once you use your PayPal account with no spending limit or withdrawal limit, here you just have to confirm the card. So what will happen is that they will just try to bill your card, and then they will not send a code, okay, that you need to get from your statement, and then confirm the account. So you can see here, say look for a small charge on your account, about $1.95. It usually appears within 5 to 7 business days. After you confirm it, we'll refund the amount. Okay, so it said enter the code in PayPal, login, blah blah blah. So let's just click on get code. Okay, a code is on its way. It should appear on your card statement within 5 to 7 days. Okay, so the code is going to be sent within that period. Okay, it could be immediately, by the way, but sometimes you just have to wait for it. Okay, so you just have to hold on and wait for those details, the code, to arrive on your bank statement. Okay, now once that code is sent and then you enter the code, okay, all you just need to do is enter the code that you sent. Okay, whenever you log into your PayPal account, you are going to see where you say, okay, enter the code, because then you've received it. Okay, then you just enter the code, and of course the account is going to be verified. It's that easy to have it verified. If you get to this point, then you are good. And once your account is verified, you want to ensure that you start sending funds gradually. Don't go ahead and send $10,000 into it. Okay, don't go and do that. All right, so I'm just trying to go back to the account, to the summary rather. Okay, I want to show you guys something. Okay, so you see here, say confirm your debit or credit card to complete verification. So once you've received the code, okay, once you receive the code, just log into your account and click on details to go ahead and type in that code to verify your account before you start sending or receiving funds. So it's that easy to open a verified PayPal account. Voila, now you have a PayPal account to make use of for all of your transactions. Okay, so my advice is don't send in bulk cash, all right, so that it won't be frozen. Okay,
Awesome. So I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. So now you know exactly how you can go out there and create your own PayPal account that you could use to receive money. All right. You want to ensure that as you start making use of this, don't just send bulk funds into it. So gradually start putting in maybe $50, $100, $200, gradually, just to increase the reputation of the account. All right, so now you know exactly how to go through that, how to create your own verified business PayPal account. All right, now at the beginning of this video I mentioned of a 30 minutes free consultation with me. Now to be part of that, all you need to do is make a comment. So first you want to make sure that you're a subscriber. You want to subscribe to this channel. All right, you want to follow me on Instagram and make a comment on my videos. Okay, and it has to be a relevant video, something that you learned from, a relevant comment rather. So something that you learned from the video that you're watching. Okay, what is your big takeaway? What is that thing that you like was like a light bulb, right, for you while going through this video. You can just make a comment, all right? And every week you might just be that person, that lucky person that I pick from the comment section to have that 30 minutes consultation with me. Okay. So until next time, bye.